First is the high cost of supporting end users. Your clients have needs, they have questions, and sometimes they have fires that need to be put out. It takes an expert staff with education, certifications, and experience to address those needs. One of the biggest hurdles I've seen is the increasing costs involved in purchasing and maintaining internal hardware and keeping that licensing current. And lastly, cybersecurity is more than just a trend. It's a requirement for today's environment. The best option for the independent software vendor is to outsource the cloud. An outsourced solution can increase the ease of conducting software updates for your end users. It can provide the security and risk management of your data and assets. And it can reduce operational costs and increase the time you need to do what you do best. How do you go about choosing the best cloud solution for your organization? It is best to keep in mind that not all providers will have the same set of capabilities. Their offerings should make your move to the cloud easy, efficient, and cost-effective. Based on what we've seen from our clients, there are two types of cloud service models. First is the provider-only model, which would include businesses who provide a certain set of services that they expect you to implement. These services are offered in an a la carte service fashion, which can cause confusion when choosing the one that fits your business. The second model is based on a partnership. This would include all support, consultations, and expertise at one price. They often implement the solution for you and can even monitor the system in the future to ensure that your software is optimized. The three greatest problems that can arise with a cloud provider include the cost of support, vague services, and non-guaranteed uptime. Due to the a la carte model, support can come at a high cost since it can be out of scope of what you originally paid for. And with regards to vague services, I know of some providers that trade articles are written about to help their customers understand their bills. Sometimes the well-known technical terms used to describe basic services are often not used in favor of newly created ones that are used more in an effort to brand themselves. One of the biggest problems, though, is that uptime is not guaranteed, and that can be an issue when your product goes down. The resulting loss of client trust and future sales can be devastating to any ISV. From this graphic, you can see that Microsoft Azure charges a high cost for their advanced support. Now, while these costs are significant, it's not quite as confusing as with AWS, for example. This is one of the reasons why some businesses require a third-party vendor to manage their account. For those who prefer to do it themselves, the amount paid on a support plan depends upon the business's usage costs. With these support plans, the cloud provider will not ensure uptime. In fact, downtime is an inevitable issue that both of these cloud giants have dealt with recently. Amazon Web Services and Microsoft Azure have had major system outages that affect business operations drastically. Now that we've discussed some of the key issues that come with this a la carte service model, what does the cloud partnership offer? We are dedicated to delivering a zero-gap solution that minimizes expenses, allows for the reallocation of equitable resources, and provides a visible ROI. Our pricing is transparent and fixed so that you can provide peace of mind to your customers. This is all inclusive with Crossroads Cloud Partnership. The services that are included in this comprehensive solution are shaped by our high security standards. Our customers face ever-increasing regulatory challenges. The hefty expense of a regulatory violation is nothing in comparison to the irreversible damage a data breach can reflect upon an organization's reputation. Our data centers are all SSAE 16 certified, and these regulations call for a firewall, multi-factor authentication, and internal and external vulnerability scanning, all of which we provide. The technical capabilities that our cloud can provide an independent software vendor is not proprietary, making customization an exciting option. I would like to invite you to our strategic consultation where we can begin to develop a custom solution that fits your needs. A channel engagement manager will learn more about your current infrastructure model and how our services could best fit your needs. Then we would present you a plan that reduces your current costs and the complexity of your software delivery model.